Hi, I'm Anna from Cumulus. Every year we opt out of Black Friday promotions, mainly because we don't agree with the idea around this whole event. There are so many different things behind the price of our products. We manufacture in Poland and we closely monitor each step of the way. We use top quality fabrics and fillings, and we pay really close attention to each and every detail.
Our products come in short series and we don't change our collection every season. What's more, we offer a lifetime warranty and we are able to repair every product you will send to us.
That is why, instead of cutting prices, we hope you will hop on a different path with us this year. We invite you to join our Upcycle Your Experience campaign. And that is why I am here with Rafał, the mastermind behind the products of Cumulus.
I'm not even close to being mastermind, but I was a part of the team who created this campaign. And to be honest, we are very excited about it. We prepared for you 3 sets of products you can make at home, right?
Exactly. All of the sets, you can make them at home from either your used equipment you already have or maybe materials you have at home. But you can also buy sets that we have prepared for you. They are available on our website and we made them from the leftovers from our production process. The whole amount from the sales of those sets will go to European Outdoor Conservation Association. So this is a good way to do something really nice this Friday.
Yes, we are looking forward to see your projects, and once they are ready, you can tag us on social media and for sure we will find and choose the most creative one.
Definitely. We really hope you will have fun.